Alright guys, we got a GE side-by-side refrigerator, and the complaint on this one, the evaporator fan, which is in the freezer, was not working. So I'm going to show you that a lot of times when you have a situation where the fan is not working, and that's going to cause your fresh food also not to be cold, and your freezer will be sort of cold. Now, this unit is a side-by-side, so you do have to remove the ice auger, which is that thing, that one at the bottom. You do have 2 screws down there, and you got to remove the light bulb, and you also have to remove the ice maker. Now, if there's water in there, go ahead and empty that, and once those are out, squeeze and press that clip and get the wire out. Those guides or tracks, got to take those out. Pretty straightforward actually. I'm just showing tad bits, but once you look at the fridge, you'll know pretty much how to take those. Those are simple things. The main thing is getting to the fan. Keep the tracks, one on the left, one on the right, so it's easier. Now you see what I did, guys. The fan was not bad, it was just stuck. Sometimes when a unit is sitting for too long, the fan will get stuck, or if ice was in its pathway, sometimes the ice fan will get stuck and it will just stay stuck. Sometimes you can use a zip tie, get down in there and just move it. That sometimes can get it going. You don't always have to dismantle it. I was actually wanted to see it before and had the fan. If the fan was bad, I was going to change it. So either way, I had to get in there and see if there was any obstruction, which this one wasn't. The customer was happy. We didn't have to replace any parts. So if your GE is not working, open up the cover and just turn it with your finger just to make sure that it is working. Now you got to make sure that the unit is plugged in when it's time to turn the fan. And other than that, just put everything back together. Take pictures if you're not sure how it goes back together, and empty the ice maker water again, because if not, you're going to have a problem with your ice maker where it's overfilled and you can damage your ice maker if there's too much water in there. Plug everything up. That's where you plug your ice maker back in, and we're pretty much done. Secure with screws. One last thing, make sure that once you slide the ice maker in, the ice maker fill tube, make sure it is pointing into the ice maker. Otherwise you're going to make a mess and you're not going to get any ice. And that is a Phillips screw, secure, and that is it. We have one thing left, is the cover at the bottom. Pretty straightforward, and you can still hear the fan roaring in the back. So all is good. Customer was happy. Thanks for watching.